Good day, sir. My name is Jonathan Inyet Valerio. I will discuss map reading. What is map? A map is a graphic representation of the Earth's surface of part of it. Draw on form to scale on a plane as seen from above. A map daw is a graphic representation of the Earth's surface. Importance. Importance when you use a map correctly. And then distance, height of evaluation, key terrain features, locations, base routes, cover, and concealment. Mao ni siya ang important sa paggamit sa map. Care of map. Mao ni sa pag-ambing sa mapa. One of the first consideration in the care of maps is the proper folding of themselves. Example ani is kanang proper sa pag plaster sa map kay kung masawa siya kay wala kay gamiton, for example kanang nana mo sa liblib ng lugar. Most maps are printed on paper and requires protection from water, mud tearing. Care must be exercised when using maps as it may have to last for a long time. If it becomes necessary to mark a map, apply light lines only. Pag-secures of map. Although not usually classified, a map may times require special handling. Should it fall into unauthorized hands, it could give an indication of the future plans of areas of interest to the enemy. Should the map be in danger or captured or no longer needed, it must be destroyed or turned in. Categories and use of military maps. A small scale map of scale of 1,600,000. Smaller are used for general planning and strategical studies at higher echelon. The standard size small map is 1 to 1 million 1 million. Medium scale map. Maps at scale larger than 1,600,000 but smaller than 1,075,000. Ang standard medium scale map is 1,250,000. Ang sa large scale map is 1,075,000. Ang standard niya is 1,050,000. Ang planimetric map showing only horizontal flat position of features. Another geographic map, a two-dimensional map which represent the horizontal and the vertical position of the feature represented. Ang sa plastic relief map is a trigraphic map printed on plastic and molded into 3 dimension. Printed on a plastic molded daw ang plastic relief map. Ang photo map are the production of ang photo map graphic photo sake upon which ground lines original data ng names and boundaries and be added. Ang terrain model is a three-dimensional representation of area and modeled into plastic, rubber, or other materials. Other type of map. Ang joint operation graphics and photometric map and military map of specials map. Marginal information. Sheet name, sheet number, series name and scale, and bar scale, and index to adjoining sheets, and index to boundaries, legends, disclination diagram, contour interval, and protractor scale, and evaluation guide and guide reference box of unit and preprint and symbol, and conversation graph and edition number. Mano siya makita nimo sa map. Marginal information. Next is geographic symbol. Building, church, atoll, hospital, bridge, heliport, and elevated town. Muna ang geographic symbols. Muna siya. Ang geographic colors. Black indicates cultural man-made features such as building or roads surveyed, spot elevation, and all the labels. Muna siya ang geographic colors. Ang sa red-brown The colors red and brown are combined to identify cultural feature or relief features, non-survey spot evaluation and evaluation such as contour lines and red light readable map. Ang blue identifies hydrographic or water features such as lakes, swamps, rivers, and drainage. Sa green identifies vegetation with military significance such as woods, orchards, and vineyards. Brown identifies all relief feature and evaluation such as contour, older edition maps, and cultivated land on red light reliable map. Ang sa red naman is classify cultural features such as populated areas, main roads, and boundaries, older map. Purple indicates new information superposed on an existing map. Ang sa others, occasionally others color may be used to show special information. Mao ning military symbol according to size mao ning sa squad, section og sa platoon. Squad isa, ang sa section duha, ang platoon, company og battalion o group na ang brigade o division o corps o army. Example ani kanang ang sa section is kanang section hotel mo na sa isa sa example mo naka-snappy. According to unit mo sa unit of CP of operation of mechanic artillery of armor engineering and quarter master signal sa adorn ordnance medical aviation OP recon supply train or assault person infantry mo na siyang mga symbol sa unit. Grand lines. These are vertical lines and horizontal lines that make the Euclidean grid or any large scale map. Division of the 100,000 meters square into 10,000 or 1,000 regularly spaced lines. Masyang sa vertical grid lines o sa horizontal mo siya. Grid square, the north, south, and east-west grid lines intersect at 90 degrees, forming grid square. Normally, the size of one of these grid square on large-scale map is 1,000 meters by 1,000 meters. Ano siya? Pagkuha niya is always begin your reading from the southwest. For example, 1180, diri ka kanina lang ng 1282. Diri ka magikan hangtod diri sa 82. Siya, next. Scale and distance. The scale of the map permits the user to convert distance on the map to distance on the ground or vice versa. The scale of map express the ratio of horizontal distance on the map to the horizontal distance on the ground. Usually written as a fraction called the representative fraction. Maning siyang sa map distance o ground distance. Ano sa problems? Find the map distance. Ang pangitawag dito is kaning map distance. Ang representative fraction is 1 mm 1,000 ang sa direction. Method of expressing direction. 1 degree. 1 degree is equivalent to 1 minute. 1 minute is equivalent to 1 seconds. And 2 miles, 1 circle is equivalent to 6,400 miles. And 17.78 miles is equal to 1 degree. Ang sa grad is 1 circle is equivalent to 400 grad. Baseline it is the starting point or zero measurement. 3 baselines. True north, a line from any point on the Earth's surface to the North Pole. 2. Magnetic north, obtained through the use of compasses. 3. Grid north, the north that is established by using the vertical grand lines on the map. That's all. Thank you, sir.